Ndewo, enwere ihe dị mkpa m chọrọ ka anyị kpaa tata. There is something important I want us to discuss today. Please watch this video till the end, Biko. I'm Bochizwangwa, and I'm the person behind this account. I've been wanting to show my face to be able to connect with you all on a deeper level, and I felt there was no better time than now to talk about something really important to me. It's important because it concerns the future of the Igbo language. The Igbo language, a core part of our culture, identity, and history, is gradually fading away. And this is because not many people in the younger generations are speaking Igbo. Most parents don't even speak Igbo to their children anymore. And some parents who try to speak Igbo to their children don't make sure they speak back to them in Igbo. And this makes the child only able to understand but can't speak the language. If they cannot speak it, how will they pass it on to their own children? I grew up in the eastern part of Nigeria, where Igbo language is widely spoken. There were parents who wouldn't let their children speak Igbo. And when you try communicating to their children in Igbo, they'll say things like, Mama anaghị anụ Igbo because sorry Oyibo. Oyibo ka ọ na-anụ. In the eastern part of Nigeria, but you and I know is an Igbo speaking region. And you see people cheering them on like, ọ dịkwa mma o, nwa nwa nke m oyibo ka m ga na-asụkwara ya. Eji Igbo eme gịnị? As for me, Igbo language was the first language I learned speaking as a child. Afterwards, I learned English from school because they wouldn't even let us speak Igbo in school. And all the subjects were taught in English except for one subject, which was the Igbo language. And that was my best subject then. They would punish us for speaking Igbo in school. It got to a point they stopped punishing us. They started collecting money from us as fine. Yes. So for each Igbo word you said, you'd pay 10 naira. Then 10 naira was a tangible amount of money. I remember my schoolmates who would owe up to 300 naira by the end of one school day. It wasn't fun. It wasn't fun, but it helped us. Though our English in those days was buja buja, that's cut and join. We cut and join it and we present it to you. Do with it whatever you can. Okay, that was how we managed to pull through with the struggle of not speaking Igbo in school. What I'm trying to say is, right now, I'm able to communicate fluently in Igbo, and I can also communicate in English. Though my English is not perfect, I know that. You don't need to tell me. I know. But it doesn't need to be perfect. As far as I'm able to communicate to you in English and you'll be able to understand what I'm saying, it's totally okay. I don't need to be perfect in it. Besides, it's not my language. It's a borrowed language. So if I was able to learn speaking Igbo and English as a child, what makes you think your child cannot do the same? Why are you limiting your child's ability to just speaking, understanding, and communicating in one language? When the child has the ability to be fluent in more than one languages, why limit your child's ability? O were bụrụ ofu asụsụ ka mma gị na-asụ, asụsụ na-abụghị asụsụ gị. Otule ma ọ dị mma, ọ dịghịkwa mma, isikwa m kwuo ọ dịghị mma. One thing we fail to understand is your child will still go to school and learn English. Your child will go to school and communicate in English. Your child will go to church and communicate in English. Anywhere they go, English, because basically English is like a universal language. What happens to your own local dialect? Where will your child learn that from, if not from you as a parent? Biko, sụọrọ nwa gị asụsụ gị. Sụọrọ ya asụsụ gị. Maka na naanị n'aka gị ka ọ ga-esi mụta asụsụ gị. Ha anaghị amụ ya n'ụlọ akwụkwọ, ha anaghị amụ ya n'ụlọ ụka. Biko nụ, ka anyị gbaanụ mbọ chekwaba asụsụ ndị nna nna anyị ha nyere anyị n'aka ka ọ ghara ifunahị anyị. Enwekwara ka ọ dị na anyị na-echekwaba nke onye ọzọ ma nke anyị na-efunahị anyị. If you're passionate about Igbo language, if you're passionate about Igbo as a tribe, help me like, share, and spread the word. Let's keep this language alive together. I am excited to keep sharing the beauty of the Igbo language with you all, and I hope that you all will help me on this journey to preserve it. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for making this community so special. Dalo.